I needed another cabinet in my home office to hold a secondary printer, and I thought this was a great opportunity to build a frameless cabinet with entry-level woodworking skills. And I decided I wanted to build this in a way that pretty much anybody can build this cabinet with basic tools. Now be sure to check out the very first video of this 7-part series, which talks about alternative tools and equipment that could be used in place of some of the machinery I used here for different parts of the task. I definitely tried to keep it as simple as possible, so I hope you guys found this very inspirational if you're looking for a little bit more than an entry-level cabinet build. I hope you guys enjoyed the video preview and enjoy the video series. Questions and comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.